Ain't true, bet that up for the track. We gon' take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
Hey, everyone. If you want to give your car a modern touch, this CarPlay screen is a great choice. It makes driving easier with maps, calls, music, and voice control in one place. The display is clear, user-friendly, and perfect for daily use. A simple upgrade like this can make every drive smarter, safer, and more enjoyable. So, let's get started. Number 7 is 11.26-inch 4K car dash cam wireless CarPlay. Upgrade your driving experience with the 4K car dash cam, now available for around $78. This smart in-dash screen supports both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, making navigation, calls, and music easy to access while driving. It features a clear 1024 multiplied by 600 resolution display, optional 4K front lens, and optional 1080p rear camera for reliable video recording. Made from glass and PE material, it offers a sleek and durable design. With its large screen, dash cam support, and useful connectivity features, this device is a practical choice for drivers wanting safety, convenience, and modern car technology. The next is number 6. JMCQ 10.26 Wireless CarPlay Screen. After installing the JMCQ 10.26 Wireless CarPlay screen in my car, I can confidently say it completely changed my driving experience. It feels like I upgraded my old car into a modern smart vehicle without spending thousands. Here's what I've noticed. Easy connection. Setting up the wireless CarPlay was simple. My iPhone connected within seconds, and I could instantly use Google Maps, Spotify, and calls, all hands-free. Smooth performance. The 10.26-inch screen is bright, clear, and responsive. Touch controls are smooth, and the sound quality through my car speakers is great. Practical design. The mount is flexible, so it fit perfectly on my slightly curved dashboard. It looks clean and factory installed. Entertainment options. I also added an SD card with my favorite songs. It plays flawlessly. Even though you can't install apps directly, you can still access most phone apps through the connection. Customer support. I had a small setup question, and JMCQ support replied quickly with a helpful solution. After using it for a few weeks, I'm honestly impressed. Navigation, music, and calls are now effortless. It's the perfect upgrade for anyone who wants smart features without replacing their entire car system. If you're thinking about getting a CarPlay screen, the JMCQ 10.26 is worth every penny, easy to use, reliable, and feels premium on your dashboard. This CarPlay has also some positive customer reviews which help you to choose easily, such as works perfect with Android, super easy to connect, excellent value for money, worked right out of the box, flexible base fits my curved dashboard perfectly. The next is number 5. Devilic 11.26-inch 4K dash cam with wireless CarPlay. Elevate your driving experience with the Devilic dash cam, a dual-lens powerhouse blending cutting-edge surveillance with seamless connectivity. Designed for modern drivers, this device doubles as a high-resolution dash cam and a wireless CarPlay hub, ensuring safety and convenience on every journey. Key features: 11.26-inch IPS touchscreen, a crisp 16:9 display offers real-time video monitoring, intuitive controls, and wireless CarPlay, Android Auto integration for hands-free navigation and calls. 4K dual lens recording, capture ultra-clear footage, 1200 MP resolution, day or night with the 170 degrees wide-angle front lens and rear camera. Night shot technology ensures visibility in low light conditions. Loop recording and expandable storage, continuous 24/7 surveillance with loop cycle recording and up to 128 GB external memory, class 10 speed required. The Sony CCD sensor and real-time surveillance, professional-grade imaging for sharp, detailed footage. Why choose Devilic? Dual-purpose design combines a dash cam security with CarPlay's smart connectivity. Plug-and-play setup, Type-C powered, easy to install without professional help. Comprehensive coverage, record license plates, road signs, and cabin activity with unmatched clarity. The Devilic dash cam is more than a safety tool, it's your co-pilot. Whether navigating city traffic or parked overnight, its 4K clarity, smart features, and robust build offer peace of mind. Upgrade your drive today, embrace Devilic, where innovation meets security. The next is number 4. NaviFly 10-inch car multimedia video player. Elevate your driving experience with the Car Multimedia Video Player, a universal Android-powered infotainment system designed for seamless integration into Volkswagen, Nissan, Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, and more. Key features: 10-inch HD touchscreen, a vibrant 1280x720 resolution display ensures sharp visuals for navigation, media, and split-screen multitasking. Android OS flexibility. Access Google Play Store apps, customize your interface, and enjoy regular software updates. Plug-and-play simplicity. Universal wiring harnesses and 1DIN design ensure hassle-free installation in most vehicles. Smart connectivity. Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, 4G, 3G, Wi-Fi, and CAN bus integration keep you connected on the go. Premium audio, built-in DSP, 256GB ROM, and support for MP3, MP4, WMA ensure immersive sound quality. Standout functions: split-screen efficiency, navigate with GPS, play music, and monitor reversing camera feeds simultaneously. Voice control and steering wheel compatibility, operate hands-free for safer driving. Expandable storage, add up to 128GB VTF, microSD for movies, music, or apps. Why drivers love NaviFly. Universal fit, compatible with popular brands. Its sleek metal plastic build blends into any dashboard. Future-ready tech, 4G connectivity and voice commands keep you ahead of the curve. Ready to transform your car? Embrace NaviFly, where innovation meets the open road. The next is number 3. Our Snavi 2K QLED Android CarPlay. Transform your Jeep Compass or Patriot into a tech powerhouse with the 2K QLED Android CarPlay. Key features: 2K QLED brilliance, a vibrant 9-inch display, 2000x1200 or 1280x720 resolution, delivers razor-sharp graphics for maps, videos, and menus. Android 14 OS. Access the latest apps via Google Play, enjoy seamless updates, and leverage AI voice control for hands-free commands. Powerhouse performance. Choose between 4 8-core processors, 7862 TS10 T5 chipsets, paired with 12GB RAM, and up to 256GB storage for lag-free multitasking. Smart connectivity, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi, 4G, 3G support, and CAN bus integration ensure real-time navigation, streaming, and vehicle diagnostics. Standout functions: split-screen multitasking, navigate, play music, and take calls simultaneously on a single display. Enhanced safety, built-in GPS, reversing camera input, and steering wheel control compatibility keep your focus on the road. Plug-and-play design. Jeep-specific wiring ensures hassle-free installation without cutting original cables. Why Jeep owners love it. Jeep-centric compatibility. Perfectly fits 2010-2016 Compass, Patriot dashboards with a sleek ABS plus QLED build. Future-ready tech. Voice commands, remote control, and expandable storage, 256GB, cater to tech-savvy drivers. Versatile media playback. Supports CDs, USB drives, and SD cards, ideal for road trips or daily commutes. Upgrade your ride today, unleash innovation on every journey. The next is number 2. Wincago 12.3 Wireless Apple CarPlay. Transform your BMW 5 Series, 2011 TO 2017 F10, F11 CIC, NBT into a modern tech hub with the Wincago 12.3 Wireless Apple CarPlay multimedia system. Designed specifically for BMW enthusiasts, this sleek 1DIN Linux-based player combines cutting-edge connectivity with intuitive controls, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Key features: 12.3-inch HD touchscreen. Enjoy crisp visuals, 1920x720 resolutions, with responsive touch controls for effortless navigation. wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Connect your smartphone wirelessly to access maps, music, calls, and apps like Spotify or Google Maps. Compact and lightweight at 150x100x23 and 2.5 kilograms, it integrates smoothly into your BMW's dashboard without bulky modifications. Linux OS stability. Benefit from a fast, reliable operating system that supports MP3, MP4, WMA, and JPEG formats. Multilingual interface. Switch between English and Chinese, simplified/traditional for user-friendly operation. Universal 12V compatibility. Easy installation with standard voltage, ideal for BMW 520D and compatible F10, F11 models. Why choose Wincago? One BMW-specific design, tailored for 2011 to 2017 BMW 5 Series, ensuring perfect fitment with original dash aesthetics. 2 wireless freedom. Ditch messy cables, stream music, or navigate routes via Bluetooth effortlessly. 3 plug-and-play setup. Retain steering wheel controls and factory settings while upgrading to modern tech. So, revitalize your ride today. Embrace innovation without compromising on style. The next is Number 1. Hispo 4G LTE 2-DIN Android CarPlay. Upgrade your car's tech game with the Android CarPlay, a cutting-edge infotainment system designed to blend smart connectivity with seamless performance. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising highways, this device transforms your vehicle into a tech-savvy hub. Key features: Android 12 OS. Enjoy a smooth, user-friendly interface with access to thousands of apps via Google Play. 10.1-inch HD display, crisp visuals, and responsive touch controls for effortless interaction. Powerful processing. Choose between quad-core 1.2 GHz, UIS 7862 A 1.8 GHz, or UIS 7862S 2 GHz chips for lag-free multitasking. Expandable memory, DDR3 or AM options, 1 GB, 8 GB, and storage up to 128 GB ensure ample space for apps and media. 4G LTE and Wi-Fi. Stay connected with blazing fast internet, streaming music, maps, or videos on the go. Mirror link and steering wheel control. Sync your smartphone and manage functions without taking your hands off the wheel. RDS and DSP. Crystal clear radio reception and optional digital sound processing for premium audio. Special functions. Plug-and-play installation. A pin-to-pin power cable simplifies setup. No technical expertise needed. Built-in CarPlay/Android Auto. Connect via USB for instant access to phone, music, maps, and podcasts. The Hispo 4G LTE system merges entertainment, navigation, and safety into one sleek package. With Android Auto CarPlay support and AI-driven features, every journey becomes smarter and more enjoyable. Transform your car today, embrace innovation, safety, and endless connectivity.